Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make a Flappy Bird in Scratch. So what you're going to do is you're just going to click the create button as usual. And then you can pick any sprite from the sprite categories, and you can pick an apple, like an apple, flappy apple, or a balloon or bananas. That would be funny. And also you could do a bear, except you can also do a bird too if you want. And also you can get the Flappy Bird image, and you can use that, but you don't have to. So anyways, I'm going to start you off. So what do you think we should pick? How about we do a floppy building? That's funny, but how about we do a floppy crab? That is so funny. Okay, so we could probably change size a little bit so it can fit through the bars. So we can put it about over here or something. I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just found this direction. It's like -152 and 13. So it's kind of like the correct position, but I'm not sure. We could probably change the position if we want. So if we wanted to fit in the type in the pipes. So I'm gonna like do that again. Does it? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Maybe it could be a different position, like maybe come from here. Maybe I'm not sure. Okay, anyways, now this crab needs to be like going down, down, down like that. And we're going to be coding that first. So yeah, this is kind of like a game. So yeah, we're gonna make it. So what we need to do is we need to drag out a one green flag click, and we have to set all the things back. So if someone turns it, like I showed you last time in my other videos, and like in one of my other videos, or some videos, I forgot. Anyways, if you turn the direction like this, then if you say point in direction 90, then it will point back. Always do that. And then go to that position first before that. Now you need to go to looks and switch costume to crab A. And for crab B, you can actually, flip it, like turn it like this. Just turn it, it's like facing something. So how we're going to program that is when we can press the space key, then it will turn like that, kind of like that. So anyways, now we are going to set the size to 50. So if we change size to 100, then we change back to 50, then it's back, and boom, it's back when you click the green flag, when you and also show, because when you hide it, you show it. Change size, then set size, and boom, we got it small again. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and move on. So now we are going to like switch the costume. I mean, that's already there. So like let's go ahead and get started with the code. So what we're going to do is we are going to like be programming something. Whoops. So we will be programming the space bar key thing. So now what we're going to do is we are going to go to the events and drag out this one thing clicked, and then go to the control category and drag out forever loop. Now what we're going to do is we're going to drag out an if then or else block and put it there. Now what we're going to do is if space key pressed, pressed, then it will do something. Oops. Okay, now we are going to put some motion things. So go to motion category and drag out change Y by 6. Change Y by 6, I guess. I mean 8. And then duplicate that or get another one and change y by -6. So yeah, now we are going to be putting an 8 over here and the 6 over here. No, here. There we go. Now that's better. Now let's move on. Now what we're going to do is we are going to be doing this one groove. One space key pressed. One green flag clicked. Forever loop. Repeat until it's over here. Space key pressed. Key space pressed. Then you can change the costume. Like you can change it to any costume. I will do it to crab it. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to be doing the next thing from the space key press thing. So let's go ahead and get started with that. So green flag clicked, forever loop. Repeat until not space key pressed. So I'm gonna get that space key pressed, key space pressed, press whatever that is, and not, and put that there. Now put that in the hexagon and put it into forever. What we're going to put in there is we are going to put Crabite 2. Switch the costume to Crabite 2. That costume that we made earlier. So there we go. We have a little bit of our code done on our floppy thing. Uh-oh, it's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Even if I yeah, that's how it will be moving. So if it hits the pipe, then it will say game over and something like that. We're gonna be making broadcasts too from the advanced category, and let's go ahead and get started. So now what we have to do is we can also add a sound effect. Like if the crowd is doing that, it can do like sound. I can use pop. Anyways, pop. Increase volume. Pop. That could be good if you can make it faster. You can just leave it like that because that's kind of good. That's the best sound I could find, but it just appears there. So let's find a nice sound for that. So you can use chomp or bite. Chomp. Reproduce. No, not that. Oh, this is quick. Okay, we can use effects. Let's see. Clang. Coin is good. Coin is good. Coin is good. Okay, okay, we can just do the sound. I think this is good. Okay, space key pressed, then play that sound. See how that's kind of good. Okay, anyways, now what we're going to do is we are going to be making the pipes. So let's go ahead and do the sprite. So hover over the sprite button. Oh, did that by accident? Hover over the sprite button and click paint. Now we're going to be making these pipes. You can choose any color. I will choose this one, and I will make the pipes then like this. So the crab can fit inside the pipes. So they can be moved. So let's make this a little bit smaller. Do like this. There we go. We have our pipe, one of our pipes, and then we can copy paste it, and we can actually group that and do that. vertical. There we go. And we need to make some space for our crabby. If he fits in that, let's see if he fits. Oh, he does. I think our crabby does fit in there. Straight a line so it would fit. Okay, I think our crab fits in there. Okay. Now, maybe we should put it a little bit upper. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay, now you can duplicate it and make it a little bit down. Do that. Make it down. That can be for a few levels. Like if you're having, you can also add levels to this if you want. Like you can add a level 1 this, level 2 this, and level 2 level 3 up. And that kind of like that. So I'm going to do that, and there we go. Going to go up. There we go. Oh, need to make it a little bit down so there's no white spaces. There we go. Okay, now this will make it hard for the crab and your space bar to get through the pipes. That's the hard part. So now we're going to be putting the code. So yeah. Okay, this is our chance for our broadcast message. So what we're going to do is when green flag clicked, forever loop. Just before that, we have to put a show. So it will show up when the green flag is clicked. Now it will go to its position and glide for whatever. Anyways, we are going to be putting go to that position. Really. Okay, we can move it a little bit, or for sure, just to attract that crab. Okay, now we are going to put this go to block, and now we are going to be putting a glide block, which we will be gliding to a different position. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm going to type the X and Y for this. So yeah. Okay, so the Y was 28 like this. So we are going to be putting it back. And now what we are going to be broadcast messaging. So we have that broadcast message one. We don't have to create a new broadcast again. So yeah, that's kind of that takes some time, but still you can just use this message just for once. Okay, so let's go ahead and put it there. There we go. We have our first code on our pipes. You can name it pipes. So pipes. I just pipeys, pipes, whatever. Anyways, let's move on to the next state of the code. Okay, now we are going to do when green flag clicked. If this crab is touching the pipes, then we will broadcast. So forever, if done. Now this not if done else or else. Okay, now then we will go to sensing and put touching mouse pointer, and we will change that to crab. Then we will go it and broadcast message, and we will name that message. No, I can do that uppercase. No, how about we do three L's? That's better. Yeah, that's good. Okay, put that there. So what are we gonna do with that broadcast message thing? So if you don't know what a broadcast message is, please check out my other video called How to Use a Broadcast Message in Scratch tutorial, and it will appear on the video thing, channel thing, whatever that is called, and you get to watch that, and after you watch that, you can watch this because this is made recently. And also now we are going to be continuing. continuing. So now what we're going to do is we are going to use when I receive message one from the events category. And now we are going to be remember those level kind of things. You can add those levels and use these costumes for each level. So for example, there could be 3 levels in your game, in your Flappy Bird game. And if you're using a Flappy Crab, that can also be fine. So if you're making a game like that, then you can actually do when I receive message one, then you can switch costumes. You can use the broadcast message to switch costumes for each level. So that's what you can do. But we're going to be doing this. So we are going to be going to the operators and then dragging this block called pick random 1 to 10 and change the 10 to 3. Now put it in the costume 3, that circle over there. It just shows white thing. That means it's able to fit in there. And then when you leave it, it's so now we are going to be doing when I receive no, it'll hide kind of. That's really sad. Oh. Okay, anyways, this is how you write no. I'm gonna pick it. No. This is how I feel. Try my best. No. Okay. 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 Okie dokie. And now artichoke. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to be continuing. So for this no broadcast message thing, we are going to be going to looks category and doing that. And then we will stop all the code in this. So we will stop all, drag that block and click on that box and say other scripts in this right, and then put that there. Okay, let's move on. So now what we're going to be doing is when green flag clicked, red for loop, scroll down a little bit so you have space, and drag another if then block from there, from the control category. And now we are going to go to the operators and drag out that. Now we are going to put position here and 350 here, not just 50. Sorry, 50 and hello, 350. Now we're going to put it in the hexagon that's shown, just like how we did for this. Now what we're going to do is, one more change, negative 350. It's negative 350. There you go. Now let's move on. Broadcast yay and wait 1 second. I'm gonna make a yay thing. Yay! Oh, sorry. Anyways, then wait 1 second. We will be adding stuff later, which is like the wearable that we're doing at the end. So I think that's pretty much for the pipes. And now we are going to move on to the no thing. So yeah, let's go on and make a screen that says what you have done. So let's go and do that. So now we are going to be making another one. So another sprite paint. Sorry, my iPad keeps doing that. Anyways, dang it, paint. For the sprite then code paint, and I'm already there, so it'll say sprite 1. And now we are going to put the screen. So we're gonna make it red, red, and make it like this. Now I'm gonna use green for the inside and put. Okay, let's move it a little bit over there. There we go. Move it a little bit there. Oh, and a little bit there. There we go, that's better. Now what we're gonna do is game over. You can choose any of these things. You can do pixel, you can do curly, you can do handwriting. I'm doing handwriting. So now let's go ahead and type. So game. Oh, we have to choose a different font. We have to choose a different color first. Maybe I can change a little bit of this and that. Okay, that's better. Game over. How about we change it? The color. It's kind of change it. Maybe a little bit more. That's better. Game over. Game over and an exclamation mark. Now we can make it big, not too big, otherwise it'll be like this. Oh no, that does not fit. So make sure we have it big enough. Okay, now we will type your score is ... just 3 dots. We'll make it a little bit bigger too. And then we're going to put the wearable over here. One of the wearables. Now we're going to go back to code and then we'll do when green flag clicked. We are going to go to the wearables category and click make a wearable and say that for all sprites and also call it score with an exclamation mark and say okay. Now we are going to hide this. We are going to do this and then we're going to double click on the score and then we are going to click large readout and then we're going to put it over it. We can also make a thing for that. Can also make a pink thing. It could be this. Yeah, this pink is kind of good. Okay. Let's put it in the middle. And there we go. We have our score thing. Now, let's go back to code. Okay, now when green flag clicked, hide this thing. So we don't want to keep showing and not show what's happening to your characters. So yeah. Anyways, now we're going to go to wearables category and say hide wearable, my wearable, change that to score with an exclamation mark. Now we are going to set the score to 0 and hide. So hide and set score to 0. Okay, set score to 0 and hide. I think that's okay. Now we are going to be going and putting when I receive the no message. And then we are going to show the wearable score. Show the wearable score. Where's that? Yeah. Show wearable score. Oops. Hype wearable. Okay. Let's go. There we go. Wait 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds, 2, and then broadcast message, lose. I think, yeah, it's lose. So we're gonna put it there. Then drag out. Oh, when I receive yay, that yay message, then it is going to change the wearable score by 1. Change wearable score. Okay, we are done with this. And now let's move on to the pipes. So also for this crab, when it receives no, it hides. Once you receive no, it hides. So let's go ahead and do that. So when I receive no, then it will hide, of course, and put that there. Now we can play sound or something. So when it's done, we can play this one. 3, 2, 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oops. Sorry, let me show you. Lose. What's that thing? Yeah, that's the one. Okay, let's lose that. That's kind of, let's use that. Sorry. Okay, now we are going to put play sound loose until done. And then we are going to do the same thing as we did in the pipes. So let's go back. And stop all. Click on the box and say stop other scripts and this right. Now let's move on. Now we are going to make the other wearable score. And we will do that. There we go. And now when green flag is clicked, then we will go back to the wearables and choose hide wearable and then show wearable. And then put that there. Now we will go to control and control that. So wait 0.2 seconds, then show the wearables. Oh, we have to change this to score. There we go, that's better. Okay, let's go back to the pipes. Now, when I receive lose, or when I receive no or something, then hide the wearable score. Now we are going to be continuing. Just one last link for this, last thing for this pipe. So we are going to change, put it over here and say change score by 1. And let's try to play the game now. So I hope it works. Okay, let's try. Oh, I did. Oh. Oops. Oh, I kept. But oh my god. Da 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 da. Oh. Da 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 da. Oh my god. Okay. The 0 is not changing, so I don't know what's the problem. You need to change the score by 1 when it's negative 350, which it's not exactly working. Maybe the go to X and Y thing is not working for the pipes. So let's go ahead and try that. I hope that works. Okay, so I think it's 3628 and that might fix it. There we go. I hope that's oh, it's saying 0. All right. Okay, that's correct. But I don't know what is going on. Maybe you guys have done the correct game thing. What if you guys have done it correctly? We'll find out in the next video. So I think this is the problem that's happening with my other game. I made another flappy-bird. But still, it was like a beginner. I was like a beginner for that flappy-bird, and I didn't know what was going on because there were some problems and kept hitting and showing something. Oh, your score is 1. Maybe that's the problem. Oh yeah. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Oh, I keep hitting. Oh my. What? What is going on? What is going on? I think we have to start a different position. Oh, come on. What is that? Okay, crap. Anyways, there, I think that's gonna work. Save. Okay, there we go. Now I hope it works. Ooh, there. Oh, oops. Whoa. Ooh. So, Derg. I just like walking. Do you see that? Oh, it just, oh, it's like going. Oh, God, you have to try it. Okay. I don't know what's going on. What's going on? What's going on? Okay. Anyways, still, I hope you can play this game. It's really kind of popular. But so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this simple Scratch tutorial of a Flappy Bird, which we did Flappy Crab instead. Maybe we can name it Flappy Crab. Flappy Crab. Okay, smiley face. Smiley face. Double smiley face. Triple smiley face. Crab image. Okay, guys, let's go ahead and go back. So yeah, you can title and collab and whatever that is, and then share your project with your friends. And I can also the original working Flappy Crab. So weird. Okay, I'll delete that. Or whatever. Okay, now 3, 2, 1, share. And boom, you shared it with your friends. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I will try to make more videos soon and also create my own videos. I'm still thinking of what videos should I make? Are they nice? What should I do? Okay, so those type of videos I'm gonna do. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this Flappy Crab tutorial. Kind of funny with Flappy Crab. So crab on. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this simple Scratch tutorial about a Flappy Crab, Flappy Bird project, and it works kind of well. I hope you play it. I will put the link of the project in the description of this video, and also on this. And also, I hope you get to follow me. So if you follow me or like this video, I will know that you like this, or you're liking this Scratch channel right now, and you are waiting for more videos from me to make these videos. So I will keep making more videos if you do that, and also you can join on Scratch and make a new account, and also you can start my friend. So yeah, you can also follow me. So yeah, you can just do that. So thank you guys for watching this amazing video. Don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of my amazing, awesome Learn Scratch videos. Thank you. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.